All right, welcome to this week's Tech Tip Happy Hour. This week we are going to talk about free email services. So if you are using a free email service for your business, such as Gmail, Comcast, Yahoo, Verizon, we would ask you to stop doing that now. The free email service is great for organizing a golf trip or sending cat videos to your grandmother, but using free email for your business is not something that we would recommend for any business, let alone any business that would have anyone else's information. So here are 5 reasons that we would recommend that you don't use a free email address. The first one is that hackers love these accounts. They're very easy to target because everybody knows an @gmail.com address or an @yahoo.com address, so it's very easy for them to try to target massive amounts of emails to gain access to those accounts. Number 2 is that it looks unprofessional. So if you're asking somebody to send you their tax returns that has your social security number on it, do you really feel comfortable sending that to an email address that ends in @comcast.net, where you know that there is not the appropriate amount of security behind that email account, or that it could be monitored professionally? Number 3 is that your email might not even get to the person you're trying to get it to. So since many hackers and spammers use these accounts to try to trick people, they often get flagged as spam, and may not be delivered to the actual recipient's inbox, instead end up in their junk folder. So obviously if you're sending emails out, especially professionally, you want to make sure that they're delivered. The 4th one is that there's no support. There's no number to call when you're having issues with your email through a company that you're not paying them for. So since there is no support, that can also run into issues if you do have a problem, especially a security issue with your account. And the last one would be compliance and security. If you fall under any sort of compliance, whether it be FINRA, HIPAA, PCI, any of these things, you are not compliant by using one of these email services. So please, reach out today to either your IT provider or a trusted resource to get a professional email. Many of these email accounts can be purchased for less than a cup of coffee a month. We're not talking about a huge investment here. So today, since we're talking about email, we are going to make a drink called Fancy Free. So we have our cocktail shaker here. We're going to take a dash of bitters here. All right. And then we got 2 ounces of bourbon here. And then we're going to take half an ounce of maraschino cherry liqueur. All right, and we are going to stir this, not shake it. So we got that stirred there. Now we're going to pour it into our chilled cocktail glass. And there we go, Fancy Free. All right, guys, have a great week.